guys, 35% is the qualifying marks, guys. Hello friends, there is a big update from the University of Hyderabad. As you can see that, so we are talking about CUET, which means Common University Entrance Test. And here one update they have given, that University of Hyderabad given update regarding the minimum cutoff of 35 marks. Yes guys, this you can see here. Qualifying paper. In qualifying paper, you have to score minimum 35 marks, and which will be considered for the PG admission. That you must qualify in qualifying paper, and your rank will be given according to your core papers. So which is completely written, clearly written. You just go through it once. Core paper means the merit list for the integrated students, that is for the CUET PG program, will be determined based on the scores of candidate in the paper as a core paper. Rank list for admission will be prepared in order to merit of scores of the core paper. So it's very clear here. Rank list will be prepared according to a merit of core paper. Now you should know what is core paper and what is qualifying paper. So University of Hyderabad has already given. Suppose that if you are applying for integrated MSc, okay, science, I mean for science in maths, so your core paper will be maths, physics, chemistry. From maths, physics, chemistry question will be asked, as you can see here. So this is for IMSc, suppose that math, and this will be your core paper, and your qualifying paper will be English. So you have to just qualify in that paper. Your rank will not be अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वालिफाइंग पेपर. तो आपका रैंकिंग जो होगा, मेरिट जो होगा, वो होगा क्वालिफाइंग पेपर से नहीं, बल्कि आपके कोर पेपर से. आपको कोर पेपर में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा स्कोर करना होगा, और कोर पेपर में अधिक स्कोर आएगा तो आपका रैंकिंग अच्छा आएगा, देन यू कैन गेट एडमिशन. बट क्वालिफाइंग पेपर में मार्क्स अधिक लाने से कोई ज़्यादा फायदा नहीं है, क्योंकि दैट इज़ जस्ट इन क्वालिफाइंग इन नेचर. उससे रैंकिंग आपके नहीं सुधरने या बिगड़ने वाली है. So please keep focusing here. Again, if you are from physics, so core paper is for same 3 subject, physics, chemistry, maths, but again your qualifying paper is English. Similarly for the chemical science, that is you can say chemistry. So here you have option for the chemistry. One option they have given chemistry, physics, maths, or you can go for biology also. But for physics and mathematics there is no biology options. So you keep scrolling and you can keep checking. So similarly for biology here, in biology you can either choose physics or maths as a core paper. Similarly for geology you can choose either maths or biology. So it's written here guys, so please keep reading very carefully. You read carefully all the notifications, everything it's written here. Again, if you go to the integrated humanities, your core paper is Hindi. So I would say that your core is same, focus on your core, and your qualifying paper, that would be obviously your language, be it English, be it Hindi, and whatsoever. So for suppose that for Hindi they have given qualifying paper as English, so just think of, but your core paper is still Hindi, so you have to score it a very good score in हिंदी, देन ओनली यू विल गेट द सेट. हिंदी में आपको अधिक से अधिक उच्चतम अंक आना पड़ेगा, तभी आपके मेरिट बनेगी. अगर आप इंग्लिश में लाते हैं नंबर तो वो क्वालिफाइंग है पेपर, बट क्वालिफाई करना ज़रूरी है. और कितना क्वालिफाइंग है तो ये उन्होंने ऊपर ही बता दिया है. ये रहा क्वालिफाइंग 30 मार्क्स, 35 मार्क्स. आपको 35 मार्क्स लाने होंगे क्वालिफाई पेपर में. अगर आप 35 मार्क्स नहीं लाते हैं तो यू विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज फेल्ड. फेल्ड मीन्स कि आपकी कापियाँ जांच नहीं होगी, और जांच भी होती है तो आपका मेरिट लिस्ट में नाम नहीं आएगा, बिकॉज यू कुड नॉट क्वालिफाई द क्वालिफाइंग पेपर. ओके, यू विल बी जस्ट इनएलिजिबल टू गेट एडमिशन. आगे हम लोग इसी तरह बढ़ें. आप देख सकते हैं इवन लास्ट में दिस डी, दैट इज़ फॉर द डोमेन एंड ऑप्शनल लैंग्वेज. फॉर अगेन सोशल साइंस, सपोज दैट इकोनॉमिक्स, अगेन देर विल बी जनरल टेस्ट, दैट इज़ योर कोर पेपर. So what you have to apply just, and merit list will be generated on the basis of scored in general maths. You please read it guys, merit list generation, okay, and it is completely written. Marks obtained in a general test. See this, marks obtained in general test. So according to that merit will be there. Intake is 14, that is 14 seat, course duration 5 years. So similarly here, So this is very very important. Please take a screenshot, keep a note of it. So it is completely written, general test required for all social science. You please read these 3-4 carefully. General test is for all social science, humanities and language program. Medium of instructions in UH is English, so that's why English is compulsory. Yes guys, English is compulsory in University of Hyderabad. Candidates can make choice of subjects in order to their merit in the entrance exam. Okay, and for candidate belonging to ST SC, minimum eligibility is pass in the qualifying examination. So it was all about the update for the CUCT. This is a big update. You must be thinking that okay, I have to focus only core paper. No, you must qualify, and please don't focus on only qualifying paper, because that is just like qualifying only. So उससे आपके रिजल्ट नहीं बनने वाले हैं, उससे मेरिट लिंक में इम्प्रूव या डिक्रीज नहीं होने वाला है. सो यू प्लीज़ कीप फोकसिंग ऑन द कोर पेपर्स and just be basics, go through the basics of the qualifying paper. Qualifying में आपको वही आएंगे, इंग्लिश आएंगे मेनली. इंग्लिश इज़ कंपलसरी टू एवरीवन, सो ज़्यादा टेंशन नहीं लेना है. आपको कोर पेपर पढ़ना है. सोशल साइंस वालों को जनरल चीज़ पढ़ना है जो कि आपके हैं कोर सब्जेक्ट में, पॉलिटिकल साइंस, हिस्ट्री, करंट अफेयर्स, इकोनॉमिक्स एंड इंग्लिश. इंग्लिश इज़ कंपलसरी एज इट इज़ रिटन इन द sorry, as it is written here, you can see that completely it is written. You read again 3 line 4 line. So I hope I am very clear about it. If any doubt comes, you please comment section below. And 1 week is left. I think 6th May is the last date to apply under CUET. Still you have any doubt, you please comment below, or you can please go to the website, though I will give the link for this, and you please read the PDF. Ask to your seniors, ask to your parents, ask to your peers if you have any confusion, or you can comment below. And last notice that I want to give you, that University of Hyderabad reserves the right to increase or decrease the minimum cutoff defined above based on the percentile scores of applicants. So that means you cannot say that this is the cutoff and this will be the cutoff. University of Hyderabad will decide the cutoff according to their intake. So it has its autonomy. So thank you guys. I think I am very clear about it. Hope it was fruitful too. And if you really feel any kind of difficulty, you please share this video to the seniors, to your teachers, to your parents, to your guide, to your friends, and you please share this information, because this is going to be very very important. Trust me, very very important information University of Hyderabad has just uploaded. And chalo, thank you, see you soon. And this notice is for only CUET, that is for undergraduate. For UG only. For PG, that is for masters, be it MSc, be it MA. And for PhD, notifications will be coming by the next week. By 10th of May notifications will come most probably, and I will upload regarding that. So stay tuned, stay connected, keep subscribing, keep sharing, and hope it was very fruitful to you. See you in the next video, and you please read it again very carefully, very important. English is compulsory. Your core paper is the main. You have to score as much as you can in your core paper. Focus on your core paper, and qualifying is just English, nothing more than that. And you please keep scrolling this PDF. So chalo, bye bye, see you soon in the next video, when notifications for masters, all subjects, masters in science, master in arts and other subjects, and PhD will come. I will upload the video. Thank you guys, bye bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay connected. Bye.